Hey guys, it's me, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, the Einstein of Wall Street. It is June 13th, Thursday. You know what, we didn't start the day this way, really. Kind of felt like a sort of an anemic positive open. Market was sort of flat to up a little bit on the opening, but we ended up closing the day quite strong. In fact, it was quite a spurt of a rally coming into the close. Not clear what that's about. Obviously, we had some spike in oil this morning over the attack by Iran on the tankers in the Gulf of Hormuz. We had no other weird negative news coming out of our administration or our stuff. There's sort of like a hiatus of economic data that's coming in. We do have a looming Fed meeting coming up soon. All that being said, there's not that much to say about today. The market is up on a lack of bad news. It is not down over any negative news. It's kind of trading flat in a channel in a green way. We closed the market up, however, first up day in 3 days, up 100 points. The Russell up significantly. Even though we saw some lagging stuff going on in the S&P this morning, the Russell seemed like a positive day all across the board, and that's sort of a mid-cap, small-cap, value-added people buying that and maybe selling regular equities. All that being said, there was a spike on the close in a big way. Market closed up 110 points at 26.1. You know, we're hovering at these levels that are really significant, only about 2% off the highs. Russell up 16, S&P up 12, Dow Jones up 110, transports up 100, oil up $1 and change, and gold up 12 points, really 10 points, teetering on the high of that level. So there seems to be value in the market, in oil, in gold, in the Russell, in the S&P. I don't need to read too much into it. We, as I always say, we're only a tweet away from up 1,000 or down 1,000. We really need to either establish this as a new foundation to go higher or basically find this to be some resistance. I'm not clear what that's going to be. We are kind of on the verge of the next leg up or leg down. I'm not here to project. I'm not here to analyze. I'm here to tell you what happened today. And today we ended green. We ended up at seriously solid levels. First up day in 3 days after quite a surge for sure. All that being said, let's not read too much into it. Tomorrow's Friday. Coming into the end of the month of June, well, we're in the middle of the month, let's be clear. But we do have a Russell end of month coming at the end of the month. We have an S&P quarterly, which is really significant. And that's what all I got today. So it's Inside Vershtov from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I am the Einstein of Wall Street. I'll see you tomorrow.